Hello students, today we will start with a new chapter, Measurement. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it to get the updates. Let us start with the chapter. We can measure anything or an object in two ways, either in length or its weight. If I have to measure the length of this marker, what I will use? I will use a scale. But if I want to measure the weight of this marker, I will use a weighing machine. We measure the length to get that how long it is. But to measure the weight, we want to know that how much amount is there in anything, like in this marker, how much ink is there. For it, we will measure the weight. There are some units in which we can measure the length and weight. So some units of length are meter, centimeter and kilometer. In this weight, there are grams, kilogram. Like in kilogram, we measure our vegetables. And there are liter, milliliter. In liter and milliliter, we measure the liquid. Like suppose I have to measure the weight of this paint bottle. So I will measure it in liter or milliliter. So first, let us understand length. What is length? How long an object is. If we want to measure that how long this marker is, what we will do? We will measure its length. So there are some units in which the length is measured. There are 3 units: meter, centimeter and kilometer. Let us understand one by one. First, meter. It is denoted by small m. It is the standard unit. Standard unit is that most of the time the length is measured in meter. So this is the standard unit of length. In meter, we can measure the height of pole, wall, cloth, etc. We can measure these in meter. Let us understand centimeter. Centimeter is the smaller unit of length. It is denoted by cm, small c and m. We can measure in centimeter anything. Any small objects we can measure in centimeters. Usually we measure everything in centimeter, like examples are pen, pencil, lunchbox, etc. We can measure any small things in centimeter. Next is kilometer. Kilometer is denoted by small km. It is the bigger unit of length. Like we want to measure some long thing, so we will measure in kilometer. Examples are road. If we want to measure the length of the road, we will measure in kilometer. Distance between two cities. If we want to measure that, suppose this is one city A and this is another city B. If we want to measure that what is the distance between them, we will measure it in kilometers. So remember, there are 3 units of length: meter, centimeter and kilometer. Let us start with the next topic, tools for measuring length. We use some tools to measure the length of an object. There are 3 tools that are used. First is ruler, next is measuring tape and third is meter rod. Ruler is the scale that we use in our day-to-day life to measure the things. Like pen, pencil, we measure it from ruler. Always remember, like I have to measure the length of the marker, we will always start with the number 0. See, this is the number 0. We will always start with the number 0. So the length of this marker is 14 centimeter. See, this is written cm. It means that it is measuring in centimeters. So the length of the marker is 14 centimeter. Always remember, we start with 0. Next is measuring tape. This is the measuring tape. You must have seen measuring tape is used by carpenters and tailors to measure wood or fabric. Next is meter rod. This is used to measure the fabrics and ribbons by the shopkeepers. So there are 3 tools: ruler, measuring tape and meter rod. So now let us start the next topic, conversion of length. As there are 3 units of length, meter, centimeter and kilometer. If we have measured something in meter and we have to convert it in centimeter, that is conversion. Let us understand that. First let us start with 2 meter into centimeter. If we have measured something in meter and we have to change it in centimeter, we will first understand this. For this we have to know that how much 1 meter is equal to centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Like see example. If we have measured something that is of 5 meter. Now we have to convert it in centimeter. What we will do? We will measure 5 into 100. So what it will become? It will become 500 centimeter. Why we did this? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and we have to calculate for 5 meters. So what we did? We multiplied 5 by 100. So we got our answer as 500 centimeter. See, suppose let us take another example. We have measured something that is of 9 meter. Now we have to convert it in centimeter. What we will do? We will multiply 9 by 100. So the answer that we get is 900. This will be in centimeter. This is how we convert meter to centimeter, by multiplying the number by 100. Let us do our next conversion. To convert centimeters into meters, we will convert from centimeter to meter. In this, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. See with the example. Suppose we have 700 centimeter and we have to convert this in meter. What we will do? We will divide 700 by 100. So when we divide 700 by 100, so we know that 100 into 7 is 700. So our quotient will be 7. And here it will be 700. We will subtract this. Our remainder is 0. So this quotient that we got is our meters. So our answer is 7 meter. When we have to convert from centimeter to meter, what we will do? We will divide it by 100. We will divide the number of centimeter with 100. So the quotient that we will get is in meter. So answer is 7 meter. Remember that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100 meters. Let us do next conversion. To convert kilometer to meter. Now we will convert from kilometer to meter. Here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Example is, suppose there is 6 kilometer and we have to convert it in meter. So as 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so what we will do? We will multiply 6 by 1000. So 6 into 1000 is 6000. This 6000 is in meter. So what we did? We converted 6 kilometer to meter by multiplying it by 100. So the answer is 6000 meter. This is how we convert kilometer to meter by multiplying it by 1000. Now our last conversion is to convert meter to kilometer. We will convert from meter to kilometer. In this, 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Let us take some example. We have 9000 meter. We have to convert this in kilometer. So what we will do? We will divide 9000 by 1000. Let us divide. This is 9000 and this is 1000. We know that 1000 into 9 is 9000. So we will take 9 times. Here it will be 9000. We will subtract this and here it is 0. So the quotient we got, that is 9. This will be 9 kilometer. To convert from meter to kilometer, what we do? We divide it by 1000. So the question we get is in kilometer. This is how we divide from meter to kilometer. So these are the conversions that you have to learn to convert from meter to centimeter, centimeter to meter, kilometer to meter, and meter to kilometer. This is all about length. In our next video, we will understand about weights.